So I am a fourth grade teacher, and I have to say that I think Plugo would be a really awesome addition to any elementary classroom. I was able to sample 4 different Plugo activities, and all of them offer the ability to learn different skills for students. For example, Plugo Link really allows students to build their spatial reasoning skills, and it also helps students learn how to problem solve and use engineering skills. If their first solution doesn't work, they can take it down, revise it, and try again. I also thought Plugo Count was really cool. I like that it allows students to practice math in a really hands-on way. It gives them practice with problem solving in word problems, which is a skill that many students struggle with. It makes math more fun, which is obviously something that we should be striving as teachers to do. I also thought Plugo Quest was really cool. I like that it provided the stories for students to kind of have a goal in the activity that they were working on. So as a teacher, I would really recommend Plugo to any teachers that are looking for something different for their classroom. I also think that Plugo could definitely be integrated into a STEM time, especially from what I saw of Plugo Link. It involves a lot of building and problem solving and engineering skills, so I think that that would be a really great addition to that time. I would use it for morning work as well as within rotations throughout the day. So morning work, my students come in, and instead of just doing traditional morning worksheets, they're allowed to do more hands-on applications of skills that we're working on. So I could see Plugo being a really good hit, a really big hit for that. The next is Plugo Count.
If this is the number of steps Theo went up, and this is the number of steps he came down, how many steps left to reach the bottom?
Okay, so we have another addition problem. 10 up, 6 down, so we want to know how many more does he have till he reaches the bottom. So 10 minus 6, 4. Yay!
Each stop lasted. What was the total time Theo took to finish the trail?
Okay, so now we're doing a multi-step problem. So he took 10 minutes riding. He took 2 breaks, and each break was 2 minutes. So total, he took 4 minutes of break time, plus his 10 minutes that he was riding. So that would be 14 minutes that he spent in total. So I get my 1 out, and then I get my 4. Let's see if that registers. Yay, got it. Alright, so this count game is actually really cool. I like that the different games within Count provide different story problems for students to solve, and it gives them a context, obviously, which makes the problem more meaningful. And I like that these cubes, or these pieces, are really easy to use and manipulate. It's pretty simple too, because it looks like most of the digits are in orange, and then we also have the blue digits, and then the different operations are in purple, so it makes it pretty easy to tell which pieces are which. And that was Plugo Count. I like that it brings math to life for students. It gives them authentic problems to solve, and it gives them hands-on manipulatives that they can use to solve them. I think a lot of my students would have a lot of fun playing that game as part of a math workshop as one of their rotations. They could use headphones and play the game at a station, either independently or with a partner. I could also see it being a really fun morning work option. And I could see it fitting really for primary students super well, working on addition and subtraction, but also upper elementary students that are in need of some additional hands-on enrichment opportunities. So again, that was Plugo Count. I think that Plugo offers a really unique opportunity for collaboration during this time, so students could come in and multiple students could work together in order to participate in one of the Plugo activities. I would also consider using it during rotations, like I said. So for example, in my math rotations, one of the rotations is working with me. Another could be working on one of these Plugo activities. So for example, in Count, they could be playing one of the games in that.